Hi, Feroz.
Hi.
If you could quickly introduce yourself to the customers and to the viewers, basically where you're from, what is your organization, and how long have you been associated with Endpoint Central?
Oh, yeah. First of all, thank you for inviting me. Okay. So, my name is Feroz. I am a senior manager at Enphase Energy. Okay. We are a market leader in microinverters in US. Okay. And we have more than 60% market share across the globe. Okay. Endpoint Central I have been using for almost more than a decade now. Okay. Around 11 years.
Right.
Okay.
Long time.
Yes. So I started working for Endpoint Central when I was in Canon. Okay. So one of my Taiwanese counterpart has suggested me to explore some endpoint management tool. That point of time we were using Ivanti, Landesk, and that time SSM I was doing a POC. So which was a little complex. Okay. So we wanted a very simple, robust solution which is easy to manage because we were very lean team that point of time.
Right.
That is where I started doing a POC for Desktop Central. Okay.
Yeah.
And that was all on-prem that point of time.
Okay.
Okay. So we have multiple sites, replication, and all those things. So that was pretty good journey. And there I worked for 5 years. And then when I moved back to Enphase Energy, again we had some other tools which is being used here. Okay. And that is where I recommended my management to bring in Endpoint Central.
Right.
And that is when I started exploring. During the POC, again, Manage Engine was going into the cloud. Okay, so probably I could be the first few customers who were onboarded into the cloud.
Okay.
And after that, initial few hiccups, okay, my entire journey has been good. Okay, so it's a kind of a zero touch for me endpoint management, right? So whether it's patch deployment, software deployment, self-service portal, inventory, and all those things. So yeah. Initially, it's kind of a magic for patch deployment and all those things, for zero deployment and all. So it's been a pretty good journey, and I am still using it over my Intune and other thing.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So from what you said, Endpoint Central has been in existence for the last 20 years, and you've been using Endpoint Central for the last 11 years, and that is a big news for us. So when you first purchased Endpoint Central, what was the first thought, or what made you buy Endpoint Central, formerly Desktop Central?
Yeah, that point of time, when I say decade back, okay, there were few tools. Being I am an IBMer, so I used to use BigFix as well. Okay.
Right, HCL BigFix, yeah.
Yes, so it's a IBM product,
yes.
Okay, which was being taken by HCL later on. Okay.
Yeah.
So I've used BigFix, Ivanti, Landesk, SSCM, okay, now Intune. So again, when I see Endpoint Central that point of time, it was very easy. Okay, and again, I don't have to manage the things, like you don't have to put a database and all those things, all those servers and all. I'm not talking about the oldest, past 6 years when I started using the cloud and all.
Right.
So again, patch management was a tough task, and being secure in making our environment secure and all, patching was one of the important tasks. And that is where Endpoint Central saved my life, my team's life, and my organization was very happy.
Right.
So yeah, it's pretty good journey. It's ease of deployment, ease of management, very simple, user friendly. That's the, I think, USP of managing.
Sure. I was going to ask you another question saying, what are the 3 things, I mean, if you can explain Endpoint Central in 3 words or 3 statements. So you already covered a little bit, but then just to re-emphasize, short in a quick words, 3 words or 3 sentences.
Yeah, okay, I will try. So one is ease of management. Okay. So second one is it's very user friendly.
Right.
Okay. And the third one is fingers crossed. Again, past 11 years, I have not seen any cyber attacks or any kind of attacks or any other vulnerabilities from market or any other places.
Right.
So the tool has been very robust.
Yep.
Okay, throughout my entire journey, whether it was on-prem or when it moved to the cloud. So yeah, pretty that much. It's very robust.
Sure. Like I initially mentioned, it has been 20 years since we launched, and we are very happy for you to be a part of it. And if you would like to probably add a few words about your journey for the last 11 years.
Yeah, as I said, so again, Endpoint Central was one of my key projects okay, in both the companies. Okay, so endpoint management is being like one of the aspect which is being looked after by IT team. Okay, so now with the cyber security and the cloud tenants coming in and the hybrid model and all those things, patching after COVID and all, especially. Okay, when people were scrambling how to patch their hybrid systems and all, I was sitting I was very happy. Okay, because I know desktop central is there. I don't have to worry about any kind of inventory management, software deployment, or anything. So that is where my management was very happy. Okay, and not only in Enphase, even my previous company Canon, still I believe they are still using that tool. Okay, my ex-manager used to call me whenever we chit chat. He said, Feroz, your that deployment is still doing good. So it's been a pretty good journey so far.
Yeah. So I'm really glad that you are here for the 20-year celebration, and I'm also very happy that you are being a customer advisory for Endpoint Central, like introducing Endpoint Central into a new company, recommending it to your colleagues, and we're really happy about that. And for today's celebration, I hope you have a very great evening. Once again, thanks for joining us. You have a very great day.
Thanks for inviting me.
Thank you.
Okay, and wishing you a good luck.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Bye.
Thank you.